Alright, what up, y'all? So, I've been watching my boy JD videos for a minute. He been talking about these LASFIT lights, so I went ahead and got me a pair. So we're gonna try these out. These are just white LED bulbs for the reverse lights. So, I already got my tail lights out. You don't really realize how dirty it gets behind these tail lights until you take them off and just look at them one day. So, I've been wiping this one down a little bit, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean this side off too. But, yeah. Back to these though. So simple install. All you gotta do is find where your bulbs go, which for me, right here at the bottom. Quick twist. Got them out, and these are the old bulbs. I have actually had these in since I got these taillights. These might have actually came from the lights I had before this, so these may be like 6 or 7 years old or something. So it was time. One of them was flickering. I don't know if it was this side or that side, but it was a bunch of flickering. So just to get rid of all of that, went ahead and got some new ones. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and plug these up real quick. Alright, so yeah. So now that you're back, all you do is pour this out. You grab your new bulb, which is not quite a bulb, but you see, so it's LED chips on the sides and then LED chips on the front end. So where we go, it's got a positive and negative marking. So this brown wire should be my positive, black should be ground. So if I put it in this way, which is really hard to do with one hand, but if I put it in like this, it should work. If it doesn't work, since it's an LED, it's only gonna work in one direction. All you have to do is pull it out, put it back in the other way, the opposite way. So there we go. So that's in. I'm gonna set this up a little bit, plug this back up, and hopefully this will light up when I hit the button on the alarm. There we go. So where are my keys? All right, nothing yet. Back. I don't know if I had to have both hooked up at the same time or what, but everything is working. So super bright, chip on the front, chip on each side, and it is labeled, so that's a plus for these. So the positive is on the left side on this one, which is ran to that brown wire right there. Ground is the black on this side. So most cars have some sort of color code. If you got aftermarket lights with the aftermarket harness, it's usually a better color code than factory, but most LEDs don't tell you the positive or the negative. So that's a plus for LASFIT. They at least label it for you so you know which side to go with. But yeah, LEDs are on, bright, everything's hooked up right. So I can go ahead and drop these back in. And just like that, if I can twist this, yeah. So just like that, LEDs are done. We're gonna try these out later tonight and see what we're looking like. But shout out to JD for letting me know, or letting everybody know about these LASFIT lights. I probably wouldn't have even tried them if he wasn't talking about them. So appreciate that, bro. Finished product, LASFIT LEDs. They're actually super white. They look real good in there. Don't mind the dirt, because you know you saw me just cleaning all that. But yeah, LEDs are real bright. So hopefully they're just as bright at night, which they should be. But yeah, I'll try to get a night shot of these to wrap this video up, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Get y'all a nighttime look at these lights. Yep. They are super bright, like bright. So definitely worth the money. Definitely.